Life science is becoming fascinating, and it is even more fascinating when it comes down to neurosurgery, and it's come down to neurosciences and brain sciences. So I've been asked a lot of questions regarding how to build a career in neuroscience or in brain science background. In India, we have a good prestigious institute that can offer you PhD as well as integrated MSc PhD as well as masters in diploma courses in neurosciences. So if you are really interested in neurosciences and you want to explore the world of enormous possibilities, then this particular video is just for you, because in this video I am going to talk about National Brain Research Center or NBRC Gurgaon. So NBRC is a research institute where neuroscience research is being conducted, so you can apply there to become a diploma holder of neuroscience, or you can do PhD in neuroscience from NBRC. So this is all about NBRC entrance examination, how NBRC conducts entrance examination, NBRC entrance examination schemes, as well as NBRC entrance examination application fees and all the necessary details that you need to know to gear up for this entrance examination. So stay tuned and watch the video.
Okay, so now the interesting part, that National Brain Research Center, NBRC Gurgaon. If you want to do research, if you are interested in brain sciences, if you're interested in neurosciences, then this is a very good place to do your PhD. That is National Brain Research Institute, NBRC Gurgaon. So what happens to the PhD test? What are the properties of this test? Obviously, the very first thing is that why do you choose this exam? To get admission in NBRC, National Brain Research Center in Gurgaon, to do MSc and PhD in neurosciences. So you can do MSc as well as PhD. The courses offered: integrated MSc PhD in neurosciences. Application release month is January to March. Shortlisting will be done on April. Interview will be conducted on May, and entrance test, obviously you need entrance test, and actually NBRC takes JEE Bill score as the entrance test. So they will not conduct their own separate entrance test here. Simply you need to first qualify JEE Bills, then only you can apply to many other 20-30 different prestigious institutes across India, and NBRC is one of them. With the marks you can apply, they will first shortlist based on your score, and then they will take interview, then you'll be selected for the process. Eligibility: at least 55% for general candidate, okay, in graduation, and 50% for SC/ST and physically handicapped candidates. An equivalent grade or grade equivalent from secondary towards the last examination. So it's not like that in your graduation you scored 60%, but in your plus in your 10th or plus 2 you got only like 48%, you will not be eligible. So you need to have a consistent score of more than 55% as a general category student from 10 to the last entrance exam, last qualification. And for SC/ST and physically handicapped people, 50% is required for that same bracket. Age limit as per UG and PG rules, there is no much difference. Application fees: general candidates 300 rupees, SC/ST and physically handicapped candidate is 150 rupees, which is half. Now about the fellowship. What fellowship will get? A PhD in neurosciences. All admitted candidates will receive a junior research fellowship grant of 31,000 per month plus HRA. Okay. If you don't have any of the hostel accommodation out there for the first 2 years. After that, the salary will be 35,000 per month plus HRA. And for MSc or neurosciences, in MSc all the students will be provided with a 12,000 rupees per month fellowship, which is, I believe, good considering the fact that you'll be doing the MSc separately in neuroscience. So obviously you'll be trying to apply for PhD in the same institute later on, and you'll be getting 12,000 per month, which will kind of cope up with the amount you need to pay per semester. So that's good. Okay, so that's all about the summary of National Brain Research Center, NBRC Gurgaon PhD entrance test examination.
Right, so I believe you have a clear idea about NBRC entrance examination. Now you can search the details from the NBRC website and get to know about the details. Remember, all the information shared is based on the date of upload, so the information may change if you are watching this video after a few years. So that's all about it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. Thank you. Bye.